main entrance there you'll see tiles from England, Royal Doulton tiles. So it's built of all the best stuff. Ship, we started sending over frozen sheep, 5,000. Beautiful buildings. And then the next one in amongst the trees, and just past it, is the Dunedin Museum. Bus will make it 10 minutes stop here. Go and take a photo or have a wee look around if you like. And we'll see how we're going for time then. There's the in the main entrance there you'll see tiles from England, Royal Doulton tiles. So it's built of all the best stuff. Christchurch of Otago, built in 1873. You can tell where the people came from, straight from England. Just coming up now to our Octagon, which is really the centre of our town. So we'll let you out for a wee breather. 10 minutes again, say. All these buses here are the shuttles. So we don't want you getting on a shuttle. You don't know where you might be shuttled to. because of the traffic I've turned off, but I'll show you a reasonably steep street called View Street on the right. This street come out, church on the corner. In 1939 we got 2 metres, but we don't get a lot of snow. There's that church in front of us. Church. Now we're back on the main street again. Built in 1912, that one. That was the bank. There's another bank on the corner. Have a look up to the left up here, you see one of the old buildings that has the Scottish and that church to the left there, the waves just come right in here and lap up against that, the bottom there, see the cliffs there? So what they did was they took 40 feet off that building to build the church, pick and shovel, and threw it all down here so we can build it there, or this will be my last trip. And I actually just do this because I love it. I'm retired, and this is the most wonderful part of my life. Absolutely enjoy this more than anything I've ever done. So, goats. There's no goats, no pigs. There's only birds on this island. Captain Cook, when he came out here in the 1700s, he said a lot of wooden houses. My uncle came out from London. He used to sell paint in England, and he said I would have made my fortune out of it. Look at the houses, everything's paint. Because over in London everything's brick and you just sell a bit of paint around the windows. Coming up to our main university. In some parts. After Ōtepoti, what we'll do is we'll come down to the Octagon and we'll stop there for 10 minutes or so just to give you a bit of a photo to say, look, you've been in Dunedin and you've been in the heart of Dunedin. Robbie Burns' statue is there. That'll excite you. But this is the main street here, this is it. And this is about as busy as it ever gets. That's it. A lot of works at the moment. Putting in new pipes and things. You might see a sign. Here about the bog at Obelson. Some pretty old homes on our left.
Okay. You think it might change sometime, okay?